Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my toys. This is Woody, and this the.
Whoa! Whoa! This town ain't big enough for the two of us. Hey, who's got my hat? A sheriff always needs his deputy. We did it! We stopped the robbery! Come on, we're sitting ducks here. Go back to the ship!
What's that one? It's
Blippi.
Thanks for being my friend. Yeah! Anywho. Well, see you later. Hey! It's me, Blippi. Are you ready to have some fun?
oh,
Yeah!
pull it.
Yeah!
And it's one, and it is from a book.
Dance.
And this is how you pull this one. And
Hey, howdy, hey! Ride like the wind!
And who is this?
Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear, Minion, Woody, Blippi. That's all my voice toys.
I'm Buzz Lightyear. I'm always sure.
Buzz Lightyear.